Okay, so as part two of the video, we're doing the what would be the front engine seal of a Kubota 3-cylinder. I have it in parts over here on the bench. So I was mentioning yesterday the what would be a harmonic balancer. You can see it's got a counterweight cast into it to assist with balancing a 3-cylinder engine. So you'll see here's the little timing mark, and there's one that corresponds on the spline of the crankshaft. I had the seal out, haven't had to destroy it too much. Inside the seal is this shaft, this sleeve. Just have to be careful that sleeve hasn't got a groove too badly. It's not too bad, you can obviously buy them, I don't know what they're worth. And then that O-ring slides over the spline. That chamfered part there slides up over the shaft and compresses onto that O-ring, and then you can knock a new seal in. This is the old one, of course, and then you would line up your harmonic balancer. And I've got to find the torque setting for this. I haven't got that at the moment. This is the drive shaft for the mechanical steering wheels steerers. And I've just taken these sleeves right off. I've buffed the paint off so that I can retract these sleeves all the way in to install it, and then you slide them out onto the shafts of the gearbox and from the hydraulic drives. And I've just cleaned up a nice piece of pipe that's going to be able to take the seal and knock it in easily without doing any damage. That's the plan. Okay, so stay tuned. So that's part two.